Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to latest exam. Friend, today we will discuss all the important question of current affairs from 27 July and 27 July 2020 in this video. If you want to give a comment in the box, then let's go on today current affairs. Question 1. When is Kargil Vijay Diwas celebrated recently? Answer is 26. Other option is 25 July and World IVF Day. World IVF Day is observed on July 25 every year. It symbolizes the essence and significance of the in vitro fertilization IVF technique in infertility treatment. Next question is second. According to the recent report, India's maternal mortality ratio has decreased by what percentage? Answer is 7.4%. India's maternal mortality ratio MMR has dropped by 74% in 2018. Next question is third. Recently, which state government has approved the formation of digital economy mission? Answer is Karnataka. The Karnataka cabinet has cleared the formation of Karnataka digital economy mission. Now even when it comes to Karnataka, let us know about Karnataka. Founded is 1 November 1956. Capital Karnataka is Bangalore. Chief Minister V.S. Yadurappa. Governor is Vajubhai Vala. Chief Justice is Abhay Srinivas. Lok Sabha seats 28, Rajya Sabha seat 12, Vidhan Sabha seats 225, Vidhan Parishad seats 75. Launched online coaching platforms Get Set Go. Karnataka launched Aptomitra app and Cloud Message app. Corona Watch app. Mask Day 18 June. Announcement to establish Forever Clinic. Next question is 4. Recently COVID-19 law lab has been started by whom? Answer is both 1 and 2. UNDP and WHO. COVID-19 law lab initiative has been launched recently. Next question is 5th. Recently India first only testing laboratory has been established. Answer is Anand. Anand is national in Gujarat, India's first honey testing laboratory has been set up at the National Dairy Development Board in Anand district. First in solar rooftop installation, first Gujarat Police and India introduced Tasargan, Sujlam Suflam Straight campaign, new digital currency DCEP launched. Now even when it comes to Gujarat, let us know about Gujarat. So Gujarat is founded 1 May 1916. Capital is Gandhinagar. Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani. Governor is Achay Devrat. Chief Justice is Vikram Nath. Lok Sabha seat 26, Rajya Sabha seat 11, Vidhan Sabha seat 182, district is 33. Next question is 6. Who has recently launched its one-step fintech payment solution UPI AutoPay in a viral program? Answer is NPCI. National Payment Corporation of India NPCI has launched its one-stop fintech payment solution UPI AutoPay in a virtual event of Global Fintech Fest. Next question is 7. Recently Rajasthan government has announced the establishment of the first plaza bank in which city? Answer is Jaipur. Answer is Jaipur. The Rajasthan government is now planning to start the state first plasma bank in Jaipur for these infected with the high contagious coronavirus disease. Now even when it comes to Rajasthan, let us know about Rajasthan. Appointed Health Friend app, Rajcom Citizen app, Smile e-learning platform is a health partner and the consult with doctor. Next question is 8. Recently who put report of Committee of Analysis of QR quick response code on their website? Answer is DB Reader. Answer is DB Reader. The Reserve Bank of India placed on its website report of the Committee for Analysis of QR quick response code. Next question is 9. Recently, in partnership with ICICI Lombard, has announced the introduction of daily cash benefit in the hospital under group safeguard insurance. Answer is free charge. Answer is free charge. PhonePe's partnership with ICICI Lombard has announced the launch of hospital daily cash benefit under group safeguard insurance. Answer is on the PhonePe. Next question is 10. Recently, Sahil Seth has been appointed as an honorary consult for the Committee of Young Leaders of the Chamber of Commerce for which organization? Answer is BRICS. Sahil Seth has been appointed an honorary advisor to the Committee for the BRICS Chamber of Commerce CCI Young Leaders for the period of 2020 to 2023. Next question is 11. Recently, which state government has approved a canal-based water project? Answer is Punjab. Next question is 12. How long has India recently set 60% renewable energy target? Answer is 2030. Next question is 13. Recently, which countries has provided medical assistance of $1 million to which country? Answer is North Korea. Next question is 14. Recently, which bank has launched InstaClick saving account for all its customers? Answer is Bank of Baroda. Next question is 15. Recently, who has been included in the World League Forum? Answer is Indian Super League. And here is today's question. Next question is, so here is the current affairs front. Yesterday we gave you a question and see its answer. Recently, which country launched its first independent probe on Mars in July 2020? Answer is China. Next question is, and here is today's question. Recently, who has been appointed as the new health secretary in the Union Health Ministry?